Hello everyone, and welcome! Today, we'll embark on a journey to cultivate joy and abundance in our container gardens. Just like our homes, our gardens thrive when we create a nurturing and harmonious environment for them to flourish. Growing in containers offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature, even in the smallest of spaces. But unlike the boundless earth of traditional gardens, our potted plants rely entirely on us to provide the nourishment they need. That's why understanding soil health and proper fertilization is essential for vibrant, productive container gardens. In this video, we'll explore the secrets to creating a soil environment where your plants will not only survive but truly thrive. We'll discover the best soil mix for containers, learn how to maintain its health over time, and unlock the power of organic fertilizers. And to honor the spirit of sustainability, we'll even uncover pro tips for reusing and refreshing old container soil. Let's begin, shall we? Many new gardeners wonder, why can't I just use regular garden soil for my containers? It's a wonderful question that reveals the importance of understanding the unique needs of container gardening. In a garden bed, plant roots can stretch and burrow deep into the earth, accessing a wealth of nutrients and moisture. But in containers, our plants' world is limited to the boundaries of their pots. They depend entirely on the soil mix we provide for their every need. Unlike the living, breathing ecosystem of garden soil, container soil tends to drain much faster. This is why it's essential to replenish those nutrients regularly with proper fertilization. Now let's explore the elements of the perfect soil mix for containers. Choosing the right soil mix is like selecting the perfect outfit. It should not only look good, but also feel comfortable and support the wearer throughout the day. Similarly, the ideal soil mix for containers should provide a nurturing environment for your plant's roots, allowing them to breathe, grow, and absorb nutrients with ease. First and foremost, our soil mix should be light and fluffy, like a perfectly risen cake. This airy texture prevents compaction, allowing those delicate roots to stretch and explore their surroundings freely. A light and airy soil mix also encourages good drainage, preventing the roots from sitting in waterlogged soil, which can lead to rot and other problems. While good drainage is crucial, we also want our soil mix to be moisture retentive. Think of a sponge. It allows water to pass through but also holds on to enough to keep its structure. Our soil mix should do the same, retaining moisture without becoming soggy, ensuring a consistent supply of water for our thirsty plants. And of course, no plant can thrive without proper nourishment. That's why our ideal soil mix must be nutrient-rich, packed with the essential elements that plants need for healthy growth. By combining these ingredients in the right proportions, we can create a balanced and nourishing environment where our container plants can truly thrive. Now that we've created the perfect foundation with our well-balanced soil mix, let's talk about nourishing our container plants with organic fertilizers. Just like we need a balanced diet to thrive, our plants need a regular supply of nutrients to grow strong and produce an abundance of flowers, fruits, or foliage. Remember how we talked about container soil losing nutrients faster due to frequent watering? That's why fertilizing regularly is even more crucial in container gardening than in traditional garden beds. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources, such as compost, bone meal, or fish emulsion. These gentle yet powerful fertilizers break down slowly, releasing nutrients gradually into the soil, much like a time-release capsule. This slow and steady approach ensures that our plants have access to the nourishment they need precisely when they need it. One of my favorite organic fertilizers is compost tea. Think of it as a refreshing and revitalizing beverage for your plants. Compost tea is made by steeping compost in water, extracting beneficial microbes and nutrients that are easily absorbed by plant roots. It's like giving your plants a probiotic boost, promoting healthy growth and enhancing their natural defenses against pests and diseases. As we've learned, container soil requires a bit more attention than its in-ground counterpart. Over time, even the most well-balanced soil mix can lose its structure and nutrient density, impacting the health and vitality of our plants. But fear not, maintaining the health and vibrancy of our container soil is a simple yet rewarding practice that will keep our gardens flourishing year after year. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain soil health is by top-dressing with compost. Compost is like a nutrient-rich blanket that we gently lay over the soil surface. As it breaks down, it releases a slow and steady stream of nutrients, improves soil structure, and enhances the soil's ability to retain moisture. Aim to top dress your containers with a thin layer of compost every month or so during the growing season. Just like we need to breathe deeply to thrive, our plants' roots need access to oxygen. Over time, container soil can become compacted, restricting airflow and making it difficult for roots to absorb water and nutrients. Now, in the spirit of tidying up and embracing sustainability, let's talk about reusing and refreshing old container soil. Just like we find new purpose for items we no longer use in our homes, we can give our old potting soil a new lease on life, reducing waste and saving money in the process. It's easy to fall into the trap of tossing out old potting soil at the end of the season. But before you do, pause and consider the potential that lies within those tired-looking pots. With a little bit of care and attention, we can revitalize old soil, transforming it into a fertile foundation for a new season of growth. The first step is to assess the state of your old soil. Remove any large pieces of debris, such as dead roots, leaves, or stems. These decomposing materials can harbor pests or diseases, and can also make it difficult for new roots to establish themselves. Once you've removed the larger debris, it's time to replenish the nutrients that have been depleted over time. As we've discovered together, creating thriving container gardens is a journey of mindful care and attention to detail. Just as we cherish and nurture the items that bring us joy in our homes, tending to the soil and providing proper nourishment allows our plants to flourish, bringing life and beauty to our surroundings. Remember to start with a well-balanced potting mix that provides a strong foundation for growth. Nourish your plants regularly with organic fertilizers, replenishing the nutrients that are lost through watering. And just as we tidy up our homes to maintain a sense of order and peace, remember to refresh and improve soil structure over time, ensuring that your plants have access to the air, water, and nutrients they need to thrive. By embracing the practice of reusing and revitalizing old soil, we not only reduce waste, but also create a sustainable cycle of growth and renewal in our gardens. With the right soil care, your container garden will flourish season after season, bringing you joy and a bountiful harvest for years to come. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to methods for keeping your container soil healthy and vibrant? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more container gardening guides. Let's grow together.